Cool, here we go. Alright, here we go. Let's begin. Let us begin. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, aka North Established, and welcome to another street POV video. And in this video, it's really gonna be a fun one, but a very short video, unfortunately. But in today's video, we're gonna be in the beautiful city of Paris, France. Yeah, I've had so much fun here, and the reason why I say short is because literally like the night before I was shooting in London and it was super late. I didn't get back into my hotel probably around like almost midnight, and I had to jump on the train to Paris like around 6 in the morning. So yeah, I was pretty tired in this video, so apologies if it's really short. I will be back in Paris next year with a friend, so look forward to that. This time for next time. But next time I'll be in Paris, it'll be much longer, and we're gonna be doing more of like a longer POV for daytime and nighttime shooting. So, but for this video here, it's been mostly for like a few hours of shooting, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it. I really put a lot of work into this video, and I'll see you guys in the end. Peace. So you'll get one more. Love this lighting over here. Oh, no wonder that's why. Not even centered. We're gonna do it again. That one's not bad, actually. That one's not bad. man, this first one though is so clean. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Alright, so I switched to the wide angle 1728. We'll give the 85 a break a little bit. Let's see if we can get some wide angles perspective. Yeah, I got that.
Take your photo. Hello.
You look good.
Thank you.
Oh man, funny guy, funny guy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually just gonna mess with him. I'm probably gonna use like a filter on him, just like to just mess it up. Reminds me when North Borders was in Toronto. Oh man. Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and once again I do apologize if it does feel a bit short. Like I said before in the beginning of the video, that I did shoot very late in the night in London and didn't get a lot of sleep for this trip here. So at some point I did stop recording the POV, I think after the Eiffel Tower shot, and I kind of just literally just walked back to my train station. But along the train station I was probably just taking some pictures, and I got a lot of great photos, you know, just walking back. And yeah, just really enjoying the city itself of Paris, and just the architecture. It's just so beautiful, honestly. I feel like, not to sound like jokey, but like if I were to really compare Paris to like New York, right, I would really compare Paris to like Soho, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I would really compare it to Soho, but a little more cleaner. You know, Paris is like a cleaner city than Soho is. But yeah, I really enjoy this POV, and this Paris itself is a very beautiful city. I will be back next year though, so I will be back in the UK and Paris in the next year. But this time I'm gonna be staying in Paris for a night, so not only want to get daytime shooting, we're also gonna get some nighttime shooting, as well as getting the Eiffel Tower lit up at night. Yes, I'm gonna be looking forward to that POV. But guys, I still have 2 more videos for the end of this year. I got 1 more London video, as well as I'm doing 1 more New York City street POV for the end of the year for New Year's. So look forward to that, guys, because next year we have so many more adventures. We got San Francisco in January. We got Lisbon, Portugal in February. And guys, in March, we have the beautiful, the magnificent country of Japan. Yes, Japan. That's going to be the most biggest trip of the year. I'm excited. I already got content planned for that trip, so I know you guys are ready for that, and I hope you guys are excited for it too. So if you guys are excited and you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel below, comment, like, everything, guys, because you guys are not ready for what I got planned for you guys for Japan, and it's gonna be exciting. But with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for enjoying this video. Thank you for liking it, commenting, and just supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. As well as, side note, guys, I know you guys been asking for presets. Yes, presets are coming soon, not this year, but next year they're coming soon, either before or after Japan. I do have presets in the works right now. They're going through its trials, so I got friends working on the presets right now and just testing them out. Make sure to go for purchase. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to really just, you know, in elevating your photography skills and things like that. So I'm excited for you guys, and so exciting. And I'm excited. See, I can't even talk right now. I'm excited. But I'm excited for the opportunities for 2025. You know, just really taking advantage of everything, my talents and everything like that. So I hope you guys are too. I hope I was able to inspire you in this video and my other past content. But with that being said, guys, I rambled long enough. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.